Happy birthday po, Ate Tere. God bless and good health.
Hello po, Tita Ninang. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health always. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Mamila. Stay young and good, pretty.
Wish you all the best. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mamila! Hello, Ate Tere. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Tere from New York. Surprise! Alam kong this is surprise for you. I wish you the best and more blessings, and I would like to thank you sa lahat ng mga kabaitan na isinare mo sa akin. Maraming salamat. You are the best. I will never forget everything that you have done for me, and I wish you more good luck and more blessings. And may kasama ako dito is also a surprise. Come on! Hello! Nakajagat pa ako. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Ay, mag-message ka naman! Stay beautiful! Stay beautiful daw! At sa pagmamahal namin sa'yo. Heto, nasa trabaho kami. Alam mo naman, si Cinderella. Nag-Cinderella kami. Enjoy! Happy birthday again, ate. Thank you very much. Love you!
Happy birthday! Ma'am Tere, happy birthday sa inyo. Always take care po. Most especially po sa health nyo, no?
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tere. Stay healthy. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tere. Stay pretty and love you.
Happy birthday, Beshi, from your pretty Beshi. Yun lang. Bye!
Bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Tere. Happy birthday, Mare. Many more to come. Let's drink lambanog.
Hi, Maricoy! Happy birthday and congratulations to the milestone that you reached on the 60th birthday. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Hello, Pangga! It's your birthday and I'm thinking of you on your birthday. Happy birthday. May all your wishes come true. God bless you always and your family and loves you.
Hi! Good evening. We're in Vietnam, the Saigon City.
We'd like to greet our kumare Tere a happy 60th birthday. Cheers!
Love you.
Hi, Tita Tara! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
We miss you. You're always looking young as ever, and we hope to celebrate with you soon. Love
Hopefully
you.
soon. Love you. Have fun in the Philippines. Take care and see you soon. Happy
Jollibee
birthday.
wants to say hi. Say hi, Jollibee. Say hi. Oh.
Happy birthday, ate. God bless.
Ate, happy birthday. Sana mahal kong birthday ang dumating sa'yo and God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello, madam. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa pinaka-maganda, pinaka-sexy, at pinaka-mayaman, pinaka-bless sa isa sa build sa amin sa IMS. Thank you for almost 2 decades that we've been together. We thank you. You always be help to our family. And of course, sa work ni Radi, we thank you. And ngayon, senior ka na. I pray that good health, more blessing to come, and bye-bye. Happy birthday. Love you. Take care.
Hello. O ayan, kasi pinipilit ako ng anak mo eh. Ayoko sana itong gawin eh. Kaya i-greet ko kita ng happy birthday and I should prepare a video for you since I wouldn't be there on your birthday kasi inindyan mo rin ako or tinakasan mo rin ako nung 60th ko. So I'm just doing this video kahit mukha akong bangag. Dahil alam mo naman ang nangyari sa amin, so I have not slept well yet. Anyway, happy birthday, sister. I hope you will have a good time, a good life, good health, everything. Well wishes for you on your 60th. Dami pang birthdays to come, okay? See you when you come back. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to a very wonderful person na hindi ko lang basta nakasama sa work, kundi naging kaibigan ko ng mahabang panahon. Kung gaano ako katagal sa IMS, ganun din ko din siya naging katagal na naging kaibigan. Tere, happy birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday. Good health always and endless happiness. Thank you for being my good friend na nandyan sa tabi ko during my darkest time, nagpapayo sa akin at nasasandalan ko. I'm very grateful to have you as a friend. Sobra akong nagpapasalamat sa'yo. At hindi ka nagbabago kahit na tuloy-tuloy ang iyong pagiging successful. Hindi ka nakakalimot. Napaka-humble mo pa din. And I love you for that. Happy birthday. I miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Net. We're wishing you endless blessing and happiness for you and the family, and that you enjoy your 60th birthday. You may be getting older, but you're still looking young every day. God bless you always and have an enjoyable time. Happy birthday!
Happy 60th birthday, Madam Tere. Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health po. I-take ko na rin po itong opportunity na to para po magpasalamat po sa inyo. Alam ko po yun na alam nyo naman po na malaki po malaki po yung part na itulong or na iambag nyo po kung ba't na nandito pa rin ako ngayon, kung ano man ako ngayon. Dahil po yan sa naitulong nyo sa akin noon at suporta nyo po sa akin noon, na kahit wala po kayo dito, pero nararamdaman ko pa rin yung suporta nyo po. Kaya po, Madam, kahit man bihira man lang tayo magano, sana po, Madam, magkaroon pa rin ng chance na makapag-bonding po tayo ng katulad ng dati. Namimiss ko na rin po yun. Kumbaga, para ko na kayong pamilya po noon, na yun po, parang hindi na po ako iba po sa inyo. Pero yun nga, Madam, lagi po yun, lagi kong pinapasalamatan na naging parte po kayo ng buhay ko, na naging manager po namin kayo, manager ko po kayo dati noon as amon. Maraming salamat po, at alam nyo naman po yun, at lagi kong ipagpapasalamat lagi po yun, Madam, na yung mga panahon na down ako, na wala pong pero nandyan po kayo. So again po, happy 60th birthday po, Madam Tere. Thank you po, and enjoy, and welcome to dual citizen na po pala, Madam. So thank you po. So, happy birthday po again po. Thank you.
Happiest birthday, Mami Tere. We're wishing you a wonderful day and a great year ahead. Thank you for everything and stay safe and healthy. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Mami! Stay safe!
60 ka na, Day. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, sis. Have a wonderful day full of love and happiness. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Sister Terry.
Happy birthday, Tita. I wish you good health and more blessings pa. Ingat ka palagi. I love you.
Happy 60th birthday, sister. Kulang ang mga salita to express how grateful we are for having you as our sister. Thank you so much for everything. We are praying and wishing you all the best, especially good health. We love you so much, sister.
Ate, happy 60th birthday. I wish you all the best life could ever offer. Thank you very much for all the love and support ever since. Salamat sa tanan. I love you and I wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, anak. Happy 60th birthday, anak. May praying for good health and God bless you always. Love, Nanay.
Happy 60, Mommy La, we love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy La, we love you.
Enjoy.
More birthdays to come.
More birthdays to come.
God bless po.
God bless po.
Thank you po for everything.
Thank you po for everything.
Love you.
Love you.
Kiss pa, kiss, kiss.
Enjoy.
Enjoy your party.
Enjoy your party.
Bye.
Bye.